So you've trained in permanent makeup, you've got your certificate, you've set up your clinic space, and bam, here comes that anxiety, overwhelm and confusion. Are you always second guessing yourself, wondering if you are doing it right? Always doubting your abilities, wondering if your pictures are good enough to post? Or maybe you've got through that stage, your confidence is growing, you're doing beautiful work, but you're just not getting them clients through the door. Do you ever sit there just wishing that you had somebody to talk to, somebody to bounce ideas off of, or just ask those little questions, those little niggles and doubts too that you have? If this is you, then I have good news. The PMU Circle Pro is definitely for you. So trust me when I say you are not alone. We have hundreds and hundreds of members that have all been in the exact same position that you are in right now. And with a little bit of help and a little bit of guidance, many of our members have now gone on to open huge, successful clinics and even their very own training academies.
So if you are ready to fast track your education and grow your business, we would absolutely love to welcome you inside the PMU Circle membership.